Who else do I know?
You're wasting your time. You're already up to Zelda Zeekley. Achoo!
There's got to be someone. After all, I bought a new suit and everything. How do you like my jacket, Garfield?
Just a minute. Not bad, but how do you adjust the horizontal hold?
You've been sneezing all day, Garfield. I hope you're not... Hey, that's terrific. I can take you to the vet, maybe get Liz to go out with me, and then she'll fall for me, and then we'll get married, and then we'll have kids.
Oh, great. I'm sick, and he's planning a family.